This video provides insights into camera batteries, which are essential for photographers. Rechargeable batteries are eco-friendly and cost-effective, while disposable batteries are suitable for travel and outdoor activities. Choosing the right battery is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. The video offers a list of recommended products from trusted brands to help viewers make an informed choice when buying a new camera battery. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. Duracell CR23V Lithium Battery. The Duracell CR23V high-power lithium battery provides long-lasting power for a wide range of devices, such as digital cameras, lighting equipment, and other electronics. Its reliable performance and 10-year storage guarantee make it a dependable choice for specialty devices. The CR2 is equivalent to other battery types and is built for high-powered devices. As the number one trusted battery brand, Duracell ensures that you have the power you need when you need it. With its long-lasting power, reliable performance, and 10-year storage guarantee, the Duracell CR23V high-power lithium battery is the perfect choice for powering all of your specialty devices. Choose Duracell, the number one trusted battery brand for all of your power needs. Number 2. Tenergy 3V CR123A Lithium Battery, 16-pack. The Tenergy 3V CR123A lithium battery is the high-power, long-lasting, and reliable replacement for various camera and photo equipment, smart sensors, light meters, security cameras, and other devices. It delivers the best power output and lasts 3 to 5 times longer than alkaline batteries, ensuring that you won't have to change batteries frequently. The batteries are all UN RoHS certified and come with PTC protection, ensuring enhanced safety and protection of your devices. With a bulk deal of 16 batteries, it provides better value and replaces other household CR123A batteries. We love the Tenergy 3V CR123A lithium battery for its high power and long-lasting performance, all UN RoHS certification with PTC protection, compatibility with various devices, and bulk value. Get the Tenergy 3V CR123A lithium battery for all your electronic device needs, and enjoy the reliable and long-lasting power it provides. Number 3. Replacement battery for Ring Video Doorbell Camera and Spotlight Camera. Are you tired of constantly replacing the battery on your Ring Video Doorbell or Spotlight camera? Look no further than this rechargeable upgraded battery. It's 100% compatible with Ring Video Doorbell 2/3 4 and Spotlight camera, making it the perfect replacement for your original battery. This upgraded battery features 4 layers of protection to ensure complete protection for your device. It also comes equipped with premium Li-ion cells that provide longer battery life with no memory effect. You can charge or discharge the battery at any time without fear of damaging it. Not only is this battery easy to install and release just like the original battery, but it also provides multiple protections to keep your device safe. With its reliable performance and longer battery life, you'll never have to worry about missing any important moments at your doorstep again. Choose this rechargeable upgraded battery for your Ring Video Doorbell or Spotlight camera and enjoy a more convenient and long-lasting power solution. Number 4. BM Premium 2-pack LPE10 batteries for Canon EOS Rebel T3-T7. If you own a Canon EOS Rebel T3-T7, KISS X50, KISS X70, T100, EOS 1100D 1500D, EOS 2000D, EOS 3000D, or EOS 4000D digital camera, then the BM Premium 2-pack of LPE10 batteries is a must-have accessory. These Li-ion batteries are memory-free, have a high-energy storage capacity of 1100 mAh, and a voltage of 7.4 volts. They can be charged at any time and have a long recording time, ensuring that you never miss a perfect shot. These batteries also come with a fully decoded chip that provides time left, and they don't require a special charger. The BM Premium batteries are compatible with several Canon EOS camera models, and they come with built-in circuit protection, ensuring safety and longevity. You'll also enjoy a 1-year warranty when you purchase these batteries. Overall, we love the convenience and performance of the BM Premium 2-pack of LPE10 batteries. They're a reliable and affordable choice for anyone looking to power their Canon EOS digital camera. Invest in these batteries to ensure you have the power you need to capture all your favorite moments. Number 5. Ring Rechargeable Battery 2-pack for Doorbell and Camera. If you're looking for a reliable replacement battery for your Ring Doorbell camera, Spotlight camera, stick-up camera, or any other Ring camera model, then look no further. The Ring Rechargeable Battery 2-pack is 100% compatible with various Ring camera models, ensuring your device never runs out of power. With a powerful battery capacity of 6400 mAh, you can enjoy longer battery life with no memory effect. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries that can be charged or discharged at any time without harm, giving you maximum convenience. We love the Ring Rechargeable Battery 2-pack for its compatibility with various Ring camera models, its long-lasting battery life, and its ease of use. With this replacement battery, you can ensure your Ring camera is always ready to capture important moments. So, whether you're looking to replace your Ring camera's old battery or just want a backup, the Ring Rechargeable Battery 2-pack is the perfect solution. Order yours today and never miss a moment. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.